We have a table with student names and their results. We want to color pass with green and fail with red. Doing it manually takes time, so we can use conditional formatting to do it quickly. To begin, select the column with the results, choose the option for conditional formatting and then choose text that contain option. We want to color the cells that contains the text pass to green color, so choose the color from here and hit OK. Now as you can see, the color of the cells that contains pass is changed to green. Now for the cells that contains the text fail, same process has to be done. Right here fail in this text field and red color is already selected, so then hit OK. Great. We have achieved what we wanted and the table now looks better than before. Now, if you change the text from pass to fail or vice versa, the conditional formatting we have applied will automatically update the color scheme accordingly. This is a cool feature that saves us a lot of time. Additionally, visually, the table looks great with the color scheme in place. In this example, we have changed the second column to a percentage obtained column, and we also have a range of color schemes for different percentage ranges. For example, those who obtained less than 30% are considered fail and are highlighted with a red color. So to begin with, again select the columns and go to conditional formatting and then now select between option this time. Here, the two fields represent the range for which we want to apply conditional formatting. To set the range to 0 to 30%, we can leave the default red color and click OK. We can then repeat this process for other color ranges as needed. Here change it to 41 to 70% and change the color to yellow as per our color scheme. Now, again I am repeating the same process for our last percentage range. Here change it to 71 to 100% and change the color to green as per our color scheme and hit OK. Great. Our table now looks much better than before and is visually appealing. It's cool that if we change any percentage, the color of the cell will automatically update according to the color range we have set. If we want to remove conditional formatting from a cell, we can select the cells, navigate to conditional formatting, choose Clear Rules and click Clear Rules again. This will clear out the formatting for that cells. Overall, conditional formatting is a useful feature that improves data analysis and presentation. Now, in this example I extended the table a bit and let's highlight top 5% with green color using conditional formatting. Click on this option, top 10 items, and now change the 10 to 5 because we want top 5 and the color should be green and hit OK. As you can see, top 5% is highlighted green automatically. Let's clear the formatting rules and see more features. As you can see, there are more features here which you can try some of your own. Let's try this one, above average option. It highlights the items which are above the average of the percentages selected. Let's leave the red color for this and hit OK. Let's now clear the rules and see other options too. Here under data bar option, you can represent your data like graph bars. There are many other styles you can choose. And under color scales option, you can represent your data corresponding to different colors according to its value. Like in this style here, you can see, lower the value will be, reddish it will be corresponds, and higher the value, greenish it will be corresponds. You have other color scales as well to add to your table. Here under icon sets, you can make your data more appealing using icons or symbols. But all these we have far discussed is already defined formatting rules, so can we define our formatting rules? Yes, you can. Just go to the conditional formatting option, click on New Rules. But wait. I will discuss this in part 2 of this video. Before part 2, I will teach you functions first in upcoming videos.